In this video, I'm going to show you a secret method to make over $10,000 a month using just AI. Hey everyone, today we've got a topic that's been buzzing around the tech world and beyond, making money with artificial intelligence. If you've ever wondered how AI can do more than just automate tasks, you're in the right place. Now, here's the real gem, folks. Unlike some other methods out there, I've taken a route of simplification, complete with a bunch of shortcuts to make money with the least effort. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about a hassle-free zone. So if you proudly wear the badge of laziness, guess what? This video is practically tailor-made for you. No judgment here. We're all about efficiency and getting those dollars rolling in without breaking a sweat. But before we unravel the secrets of making money with AI, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech-tastic content. Now let's jump right into it. So now let's go and look at this channel. This channel is called Be Inspired and has over 8 million subscribers with videos which you can make within a matter of minutes. If you go out to the popular section, you can see that some videos which have millions of views. If you pull out this channel in Social Blade, you can see that this channel has got over 3.9 million video views for the last 30 days, while the CPM is around $5 in average for this niche. So if you go and do the math, you could realize that this channel is getting over 20,000 USD per month with just ad revenue. I'm gonna teach you to do the same, but with a faster method than this channel took. So now let's go back to this channel and find out for popular videos. So now you get a lot of popular videos, which is shown here. Next, you'll need to select one video. I suggest you keep your videos between 8 to 12 minutes. So since this video has 13 million views, I think it's a very good video to start out. So what you gotta do is click on the video and then scroll down until you see a section called transcript and click show transcript. Then you click the 3 dots and toggle timestamps. So now you get access to the script. Next, you'll need to go and copy the entire thing. Now we'll need to use ChatGPT to duplicate this script to prevent any copyright infringement at any cost, which is very crucial when creating YouTube videos. For those who are unfamiliar with ChatGPT, you'll need to type in ChatGPT on Google and create a free account, and you will end up in a window like this. Next, you should type in "please change the below script." Then you paste the script which you copied and click send message. Okay, now ChatGPT is giving us an amended version of the script with some changes. So now we can see that the script is entirely changed to make sure you won't have any copyright issues at all. Guys, we have created a script within just a matter of a couple of minutes, saving us plenty of time. So now that we have the script, we need to go and create a video. So for this, we only use just one software, which is very easy, and you can use just this software to create an interactive YouTube video on this topic. So now you'll need to go to a website called InVideo. I have dropped down the link below where you can access it very easily. So once you go to the web page, you'll need to click in Video AI, and once you click this, you'll land on a page where you'll need to click try pick. Once you fill in the instructions and create a free account, you'll need to click create AI video. Next, you just need to select copy the script from ChatGPT and click generate video. I selected just a small phrase to show out how powerful this application is. As you can see, it has already generated a suitable title as well, but we will not use this title since I'll be covering the title part at the end. So now you get an option to select the audience look, feel, and platform. So I'm going to keep the audience as students, then look and feel as minimalist modern, and the platform as YouTube. Once you click continue, the video start generating and you will be able to watch the video within a few minutes. Well, now you can see the video has been generated. So let's go and play it out just to get an overview of this. You can also notice that there is also a built-in voiceover which sounds very natural and compatible with the video. So you don't have to go through the hassle of spending hours on a voiceover since it's already done for you. But I noticed that this video doesn't have any captions. So what I'm going to do is to go down and type in include captions and click generate, which is now going to include captions on top of the existing video. video. This is very essential because once you include captions, it will increase the audience retention, which is very crucial for the YouTube algorithm. Now you can see that captions are being played with the entire video. So now that the video is generated, you can go through the video. Next, what you need to do is to click on export and select export video. As you could notice, this video is with the in-video watermark, and to get the watermark removed and to download it in 4K, you need to upgrade for a paid plan to access the no watermark option. I recommend you go for this option since it's worth every penny. You could always do it with the watermark using the free plan, but a paid plan would definitely pay off and make a significant difference to the quality of your YouTube video by getting rid of the watermarks. You'll also be getting an additional discount when you access in video with my link, which I'll pin in the comment section below. So then what you got to do is click upgrade and download the video. So now that you've downloaded the video, next what you got to do is to go and copy the title which you selected and paste it once again on ChatGPT. Then you'll need to type in generate a similar title and press enter. Okay, so now you can see YouTube and ChatGPT have generated a new topic. I think say goodbye to procrastination forever is a very good topic. You can now go into YouTube and just upload it. Finally, I suggest uploading at least one video per week, but since you now know this secret method, I suggest uploading 2 to 3 videos per week for a rapid growth of your YouTube channel. And if you constantly do this with this niche, I could promise that you'll be able to be monetized within just 1 to 2 months. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned for the next video and see you soon.